Right, so this chap, it's got Mercedes 2014 Vito, a bit like my one. His fob's like this, but mine's a 2016. And he's lost that bit, the emergency key, which goes in there when your fob starts working. So what we're going to do is produce him a new one onto this one. So to get me a little pick in the lock, pick it open, decode it, come up with the magic numbers. All those magic numbers all equate to the cuts on the blade. So we're going to then stick these codes, numbers, all across here. So we've got 55422133342. Confirm that. And when it does its stuff, there he goes. That is his original key blade. So we go over here with this blade. We press cut, and it will tell me where I've got to put it in my machine. So he's going to be in stop 2. Slide him in. It's nice and tight. Press the old go button, and it'll cut the first side. Takes a little bit of time to kick in, a bit like me sometimes. So we swap him round. That's what I'm going to do. Take him out of there. Clean that side off. Get rid of the old swoof. Spin him round the other side. Bosh. Press the cut button. Do the other side. 1. Take him out, give him a clean up, stick him on the old whizzy wheel, and the geezer can stick it in his fob, so if the remote stops working, you can get in with that. Job done.